literally confessed my feelings to you, bro.
Dude, I literally just started recording. What are you talking? Dude.
Bro, you're ear raping me.
Because I wanted to test my audio! Stupid monkey! Hold on, I need to go put my music on. Stop playing that!
This is already laggy enough.
Dude, Jamin, I need help on trying to get like my OBS screen to share because like it's just like black right now. And I don't like blacks. Do you? Not me. Bro, imagine if my teachers actually see this and then like call me up to like the school and then like, why did you post this video? You know this against the school policy. And then like
What?
I don't even know what they would do because I don't even go to that school no more.
What school?
Andrew Hamilton Elementary.
Ms. Zoloff?
Miss Solo K.
Wait, are you never going to Hamilton?
I think I'm going back. Actually, I probably shouldn't drop the full school name, cause like I want to be posting this to YouTube.
Well, I don't think you want to drop school names around me.
What are you gonna do? Shoot it up? Shut up, you be like
I'm not gonna lie, your voice turns me on.
Oh, what?
What did I say something?
Anyway, let me stop recording.